Good morning, students. Welcome to the world of SciTech, Science and Technology. So today I would like to take the topic is cells. In the previous class we have already discussed about the structures of DNA. So let us move on to the topic. As we know that according to the level of organization, the cells can be divided into two, prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. In the prokaryotic cells, the cells have no definite nucleus, nuclear membrane and chromosome. So it represents the simple level of organization, that is bacteria, blue-green algae and mycoplasma. But in eukaryotic cells have definite nucleus, so it represents the higher forms of organization, that is plants, animals, fungi and protists. Okay. The study of cells is called cytology. All the living organisms are made up of small units called cells. The term was first introduced by Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay. So, what is a cell? A cell is defined as a basic structural and functional unit of life capable of independent existence and self-multiplication. Okay. The structure of an animal cell. The cell shape may be spherical, oval, cuboidal, polygonal or spindle. Okay. Animal cell consists of mainly two parts, plasma membrane or cell membrane, protoplasm or cytosome. Plasma membrane, it is the boundary of a cell. It is made up of lipoprotein. It is being semi-permeable and regulates the inflow and outflow of the materials. It ingests the useful substances and egests the unnecessary substances. So, the process is called endocytosis and exocytosis, and it maintains the osmotic balance between cytoplasm and extracellular fluid. The next one is protoplasm. Protoplasm consists the whole intracellular structures. Protoplasm contains two parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasm consists a jelly-like fluid called hyaloplasm. The cellular structures are suspended in this fluid. The cellular structures of cytoplasm consists of two, the cytoplasmic organelles and the cytoplasmic inclusions. Cytoplasmic organelles are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome and centrioles. Cytoplasmic inclusions are stored food and pigments. The pigments are hemoglobin and melanin. And the stored food are fat droplets, oil globules and glycogen granules. Okay, the first cytoplasmic organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a small rod-like organelle seen inside the cytoplasm. We know that. So, it is a double-walled fluid-filled structure. The space between inner membrane and outer membrane is called intermembrane space. The outer membrane covers the mitochondria. The inner membrane has numerous infoldings called cristae, which increase the surface area. Attached to the inner membrane, there are numerous particles called F1 particles or elementary particles, which has the major role in ATP formation. It contains ATPase enzyme. Okay. Mitochondria oxidizes various foodstuffs to carbon dioxide and water and releasing energy. ADP takes up this energy to form ATP. So, and stored in mitochondria. So, mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria contains DNA. It acts as an extra chromosomal gene. Mitochondria can synthesize their own RNA and proteins. So children, it is enough today. Tomorrow we will meet again with more of this subject. Okay. So today I will show you the pictures related to this topic. Okay children. Bye. Meet again.